Good afternoon. My name is Falvo and I am a Cisco technical consultant with Inflow Technologies. The reason I'm here today, or the reason I'm making you this video, is to showcase you about the latest product, the Cisco 1800 series access point, which is the .2.11 AC Wave 2 access point from Cisco. And I want to showcase you how easy it is to configure the initial setup screen of a Cisco 1800 series access point. So let me quickly show you what are the features or what are the ports available in this particular access points first. Okay, so I'm just unlocking this box, and it has a local power adapter option available, and you also have a PoE option available to power up the access points using PoE, and you also have an aux port. So this is typically to do an LLAG between the ports, and you also have a console port, a USB port, and of course the modem port. Okay, and the feature or the benefit of this particular access point is it is an access point come a controller, meaning to say that it access access point and a controller, and it can manage up to 25 access points. Okay, it can be a mix and match of your 2700 series, your 1700 series, and 3700 series. Okay, and this is a AC Wave 2 access point currently available from Cisco. And now I'm going to quickly show you what is and how do you configure this particular access point. So the setup which I have here is pretty simple. I have connected the access point to a PoE switch, which is the 3500 series 3500 series switch from Cisco. The access point is up. Once the access point is up, it broadcasts an SSID called Cisco Air Provision, through which you do the initial configuration for this particular access point. So I have connected to this particular SSID currently, and I try to reach the default management IP address for any Cisco access point, which is 192.168.1.1, and I create admin username and a password for this particular access point. So once I'm through with the admin username and password, I would be redirected to the initial configuration page where you configure your controller, which is your country, date, time, the controller name, the management IP address, the subnet mask, and the default gateway. So I'm just going to give a name to this particular controller. If you have a local NTP server that needs to be configured, you can configure it well enough, and the management IP address for this controller would be and once you're done with the first step of your initial configuration, which is your setting up of your controller, it would now ask you to create a wireless network, which is an SSID and the type of security which needs to be assigned to this SSID. So I'm going to create an SSID that it will start broadcasting, and a security passphrase for this particular SSID. So all the passphrases are alphanumeric and case sensitive, so you got to use a caps and alphanumeric password. So if you have a local DHCP server in your premise and that needs to be configured with this particular controller, you can configure it as well. And there is also a feature or advanced setting called the RF parameter optimization. This is typically to tell you how much or how would be the client density in the particular area where the access point is being deployed. If it is going to be low, you click on to low, or if it is going to be high client density, you stick on to high. And even the type of traffic that is going to be flowing through this wireless network can be optimized or determined. If it is going to be just a data connectivity, just select data, or if it is going to be a mix and match of your data and voice, you can select that particular configuration as well. So once you are done with these three simple steps, you are pretty much done. You click on next, it will show you a page wherein you have configured all the parameters. Once you click on apply, the configuration is pretty much done. So with this, your wireless network is set up. I think it would have took less than 2 minutes. So any wireless network from Cisco can be set up within a time frame of 2 minutes. This would make the job of an IT guy very simple. I know you guys would have seen and understood by now. If you like this video, click on the hit button which is right below. And thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity.